Thank you for buying the Wayne Water Bug or Wayne TSC utility pump. These pumps can be used for many applications to remove standing water around the home. They are designed to remove virtually all standing water and as such do require maintenance to keep them performing their best. Occasionally, it becomes necessary to remove debris, clogging some or all the discharge areas. This is the procedure to do that. Unplug the pump from the power source before handling or performing any maintenance on your pump. Using a faucet or garden hose, rinse any debris that has accumulated from the bottom of the pump. On the bottom of the pump, remove the 6 screws using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. This will loosen the inlet screen from the pump. Do not remove the outer screws, as this is not required to remove the inlet screen. Using care to not tear the quart gasket on the bottom side of the inlet screen, gently separate the inlet screen from the pump. Clean and rinse any debris from the inlet screen. Rinse any debris from the impeller area. If there is debris caked onto the impeller area, you may soak the area in a bucket or a tub of water. You may use a mild dish detergent and an old toothbrush to help remove debris. Periodically inspect the pump and continue to soak until the debris has loosened and you can fully clean. Once all debris has been removed, reposition the quart gasket using the alignment features shown in the figure and take care not to cover the pump discharge openings. Reinstall the inlet screen using caution not to over-tighten or strip the screws or screw holes. Now your pump is ready to be used again.